Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with Essentials. Make sure your device meets the app requirements and has about 100 MB free. Once done, enable widget permissions, notifications, overlay, and background data because the widget needs them to update live. Next, open Mobile Legends and go directly to Settings, then Widget. Tap Add Widget to place it. You'll see size options and quick toggles. Follow these first steps now, so the widget can register with your account and pull match or event data immediately. Once the widget placeholder is on your home screen, configure it. Pick a size 1x2 for compact, 2x2 for balanced, or 4x2 for full stats. Then choose the content you want: recent matches, event alerts, team stats, or shop offers. Each option changes how much data is fetched. Make sure to set a refresh interval, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 5 minutes, because more frequent updates cost battery. After customizing, tap Save so the widget starts fetching, and just finish by positioning the widget where you can glance at it quickly, and lock the layout if your launcher allows so it won't move. Then test it, trigger an in-game event, or wait for a scheduled alert to confirm updates arrive. If it doesn't update, try this key troubleshooting step: restart the Mobile Legends app, then clear the widget cache and app settings. If that fails, remove and re-add the widget. This usually resolves sync stalls and ensures consistent live data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.